Hello everyone. Today we learn about dividing binary numbers. Dividing binary numbers is a little bit different from dividing decimals. So let's see how it is. So we will see that by example. Let's say the first example will be 1, 0, 0, 1 divide by 1, 1. So we'll divide 1, 0, 0, 1 by 1, 1. So when we divide, we have to check the first two numbers because here we have two digits. So we have to check two digits and if they are greater or equal to the divider. So let's say the two digits are 10. So we have to check if 10 is greater than or equal to the divisor, which is 1, 1. So if 10 is greater than or equal to 1, 1, it is not. So if it is not, we have to take more numbers. So this is no. So we have to add one more digit. Now we will have 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 1, 1 is yes. So we can divide. So 1, 0, 0 divide by 1, 1 is 1 times. Then you put 1, 1 here. Then subtract. We subtract as ordinary situation. So 0 minus 1, we cannot subtract from 0 minus 1 because it's less than, so we have to borrow from the next number. But here the next number is also the next number is also 0, so we cannot borrow. So we will move to the next one, which is 1. So 1 can borrow to this 0, so 1 change into 0, and this change into 2. Then this 2 can lend to the 0, or 0 can borrow from here, so this can change into 1, and this change into 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we will bring the next one, which is left here at the end, 1, 1. So 1, 1 is greater than or equal to 1, 1? Yes. So I can divide. Therefore, 1, 1 divided by 1, 1 is 1 times 1 times 1, 1 is 1, 1. So subtract 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So we finish our division. So we have to verify now. How is our division? Is it right? So 1, 0, 0, 1 divided by 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1 is 8 plus 1, which is 9, divided by, here is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 times. So the binary digit, so 9001 divided by 1, 1, we get 1, 1. So the binary digit 1, 1 is also 3. Therefore, our work is correct. So our next example is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 divide by 1, 0. Let's divide 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 by 1, 0. Again, we have to check the first two digits here. 1, 0 is greater than or equal to 1, 0? Yes. So how much times? 1 times. So 10 divided by 10 is 10 itself. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So we have to bring 1 here. Can 1 divide by 10? No. So we have to bring here the next 0. But when we do that, we have to give another 0 here, because we are bringing two numbers. So 10, 10, so this 0 is coming down. So when we do this, because we are taking down two numbers, we have to give 0 here. So 10 is greater than or equal to 10 again? Yes. So how much times? 1 times. 1 times 10 is 10. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So the rest 0 cannot divide by 10, but we can add here because it's an extra. Therefore, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Divide divide by 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0. Let's check here. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 divided by 1, 0. So 1, 0, 0 means this is 16 plus 4, which is 20, divided by 1, 0 is 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So our result 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 divided by 1, 0 is 1, 0, 1, 0, which is 8 plus 2, 10. So the decimal 20 divided by 2 is 10. Also for the binary digits 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 divided by 1, 0 is 1, 0, 1, 0, which is 10. So our work is right. Next example. Let's divide 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 divided by 1, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 0 divided by 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Again, since we have here 3 digits, we have to check 3 digits, the first 3 digits. And let's check it. 1, 1, 0. If it is greater than or equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Because our divider is 1, 0, 1. So is 1, 1, 0 greater than 1, 0, 1? It's yes. It's greater than. Therefore, we can divide. So 1, 1, 0 divided by 1, 0, 1 is 1 times. 1 times 1, 0, 1 is 1, 0, 1. We subtract. When we subtract 0 minus 1, we cannot subtract 0 minus 1 because it is 0 is less than 1. Therefore, we can borrow from here. So this change into 0 and this change into 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, we have to bring the next one here. 1, 1. So it's 1, 1 greater than or equal to 1, 0, 1? No. So we bring 1 here. It's not greater than or equal. So we have to bring down another 1. But when we do this, we have to give 0 here. Because we have to bring down two numbers consecutively. Now, let's check 1, 1, 1. Is 1, 1, 1 greater than or equal to 1, 0, 1? Yes. Therefore, we can divide 111 for 101. That is 1 times 101 is 101. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 0. So 1 0 is greater than or equal to 101? No. Therefore, we have to bring the last one here. This one is left here, 101. So 101 now is 101 greater than or equal to 101. Yes. So what we're going to do? 101, we divide 101 for 101. It's 1 times 101 is 101. Then we subtract as usual. When we subtract, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Everything is 0. So our division is finalized here. Let's check 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Divide by 101 equals 1011. Okay, 11011 is what number? Is 0 to, so this is to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, to the power of 4, and to the power of 5. So to the power of 5 is 32 plus 16, we ignore this 0, plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1 will be 55. This is 55 divided by 101 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 55 divided by 5 is 11. And the binary digit 1011 is, here we have to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, and to the power of 3, which is 8 plus, okay, ignore this one. We have 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So our answer is correct. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 divided by 101 is 1011. Next example. Let's say 10101 divided by 1. Okay, we have to divide 10101 divided by 1. Okay. So again, we have 2 digits here, so we check 2 digits. The first 2 digits. 10 is greater than or equal to 11? No. So we have to check the third digit now. 101 is greater than or equal to 11. Yes. Okay, so how much times 101 divided by 1 is 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Subtract 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 cannot do, so let's borrow from here. So this will change into 0. This will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so 1 0. We have 1 0 here is greater than or equal to 1, 1? This no. So we have to bring down the next 0, this 0. So now 1, 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 1, 1? Yes. So we have to divide 1, 0, 0 by 1, 1. So how much times? 1 times. 1 times 1, 1 is 1, 1. Subtract 0 minus 1. We cannot borrow from here. So this must borrow from here. So this change to 0, this change into 2. Now 2 can borrow or lend to this 0, or 0 can borrow from here. So the 2 change into 1 and the 0 change into 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0, and 0, 1. Okay? So 1 cannot divide to 1, 1. So we have to bring the last one here, 1, 1. So 1, 1 is greater than or equal to 1, 1. Yes. So 1, 1 divided by 1, 1 is 1 times. 1 times 1, 1 is 1, 1. Subtract 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Everything will be 0. So our division will be completed here. So for verifying, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 divide by 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, this is to the power of 5, meaning 4, to the power of 3, to the power of 2, 1, to the power of 0. To the power of 4 is 16 plus, okay, we ignore this one, to the power of 3 is 8. Again, we ignore to the power of 1, so this to the power of 0 is 1. So this will be 16 plus 8 is 16 plus 4, So to the power of 3 is ignored now because it is times 0. To the power of 2 times 1 is 4. Sorry about that. 4. So 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 1, 21. Divided by 1, 1 is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So 21 divided by 3 is 7 times. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 divided by 1, 1. Our result was 1, 1, 1. So this is 1, 1, 1, which is to the power of 2, to the power of 1, and to the power of 0, to the power of 2 is 4, plus to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1, which is 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1, 7. So our work is right. Thank you for watching.